Hi there, my name is Karine and I'm the French teacher behind Quebec French Academy, as well as the short stories posted on YouTube, which you probably saw. So I'm very happy to show you how this course is built, what you're gonna get by registering to it. So once you created your account, you're gonna have access to a page similar to this one. Let's click on continue and I'll go over the different parts that we have in here. So first of all, before we start with all the activities that are included, you must know that the way that I designed the lesson is that you can navigate according to your needs. So if you feel like you need to work on writing a little bit more than listening, well, then you can skip to the dictation, for example. So there's 7 different parts to the lesson. The last one is your opinion, so it doesn't count. So 6 learning activities, basically. The first one is the most important, which is the videos as well as the comprehension questions. Then you have a list, a vocabulary list, a transcript, flashcard practice, speaking pronunciation practice, and a dictation. So let's go over that. So the first one, the most important, is the video. So those videos are posted on YouTube for you to watch as many times as you need. I've recorded in 4 different ways so that you see the progression and you're getting more autonomous throughout the videos. And at the very end, you're going to find the 10 different questions to help you understanding as well as practicing the vocabulary. Okay, so this is a very good starting point, but you can also start here, which is the printable vocabulary list. So you can print, download as many times as you need. I used to create this for all my students in class, and I thought, oh, that would be very useful for students who are learning online. Okay, so here you have the link to the video, and as you can see, I have written the 50 most important words that you must know. For each noun, I have included, the déterminant, okay, the article, so that you know a little bit more about the feminine, the masculine, okay? So these are the 50 words. If you're a teacher, you can print this for your students so that they can study better. It's going to be useful for sure. After that, we have the printable also and downloadable transcript. So here's the transcript. So the short story is right here. And then after, you have the translation. So sometimes it's good to compare the words, see the differences, if there are some similarities, and highlight those similarities. So you might want to print it, or you can work on it also on your computer. And then the fun part, the flashcards. So I have embedded some flashcards here, and you can switch to different modes. My favorite one and my learners' favorite one is the flashcards, and I'll show you why. So we have the word it is. Okay. Let's listen to it.
C'est.
C'est. Okay, and then you flip it. It is c'est. I know. Then we have a bed, un lit. So I really like it because you can listen to the pronunciation in French as many times as you need. So this is very helpful.
Un lit.
Un lit. Still learning, I'm not sure. I go.
Je vais.
Je vais. D'accord. I know. Okay. So you can play with the different modes over here on the right. After that, we have the speaking pronunciation practice. So speaking is so hard, and most learners are actually very shy to speak a second language. I was the same when I started learning English. So I have included that speaking pronunciation, which is very focused for you. So if we have a look at it, so I put the instructions here to help you. You're gonna have 18 different recordings, okay? And for each recording, I have included the sentence underneath so that you can follow. So let's listen to it.
C'est le matin et je me réveille avec le soleil.
Okay, then you're gonna press audio here. Well, it's not going to work for me now because I'm recording. And then once you stop your recording, you can listen to your voice and then listen again to the original recording. You're gonna spot all the differences and the points of improvement that you want to work on. What I suggest is for you to go one word at a time when you first start. So, c'est, and you record it, and then you compare. Or then after you can go, c'est le matin, okay? And then you compare it. Now, what's great about this is that you upload them, and at the end of the activity, at the end of the 18 recordings, you can listen to all of them. Once you submit your final activity, it will be reset, okay? So the following day, when you log in, everything will be disappeared. There will be no recording at all so that you can start again, okay? So this is how the speaking pronunciation practice works. And the last one is the dictation. So now writing is very challenging, I know. And so that's why I also included the writing activity. Let's see how it works. So now it's important that you include the accents as well as the punctuation. So I wrote on the page before how to do with different accents.
C'est le matin.
C'est le matin, and then you can continue your sentence, then you submit. Okay, so there's the correct answer underneath so that you can practice some more. Okay, and at the very end, at the very end, I would love to have your feedback on this lesson. This is the first one that I just designed. So I need to know how you find that first lesson. Is it useful? What's useful? What would you like to see in the next lesson? So it's gonna be for the other lessons. It will be the same format, but with some tweaking depending on your feedback. So if you would like to see another activity or one activity that you find kind of difficult to follow, I can clarify it and I can change it for you. So I can't wait to have your feedback. So I hope you're going to enjoy the lesson, have fun practicing and learning all those words and those French expressions. Et voilà!